Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Saturday. Oh, what are they? Saturday, April 16th. It is Good Saturday? Oh, whatever it is. Tomorrow's Easter. So, it's been a while since I've flown the P4. It's been a while since I've flown any drones, actually. Been flying my airplanes a little bit. And thought it's time to get her out and stretch her legs a little bit. She's just got to fly, you know. They love to fly. So I am in a sort of new location. I'm about half a mile, not even that, quarter mile from where I normally park. I just wanted to get a little closer, but not be on Indian land, to fly over to the airplanes today. I got to do about twice a year. We like to fly over and see how much they decay, and sadly, it's happening quite a bit. I'm next to this power facility. I hope this does not interfere too much. I think I'll be all right because I'll be sitting over there, but the drone will be way over there. So we will get back to you in just a few. We'll get things fired up. But that is where we're at here in South Chandler, Arizona. Okay, there she is. Been a while, sweetheart. Been too long, actually. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, aren't you looking good? Nice. Now. All right, there we are. We're looking good now. We got it. It's been a while, guys. I have got to relearn. I mean, geez, I don't fly anywhere near enough. I got into the airplanes, and by flying only airplanes, you're disrespecting the drone. Can't have that. Just got to get a feel for her again, you know? Make sure she's doing well. All right, I think we're ready to head to the planes. All right, we are climbing. Get up to about 200 feet here. All right, we'll make it 300. 311 feet. Satellites are good. Connection is good. Our speed is just what I love. 37 miles an hour. No wind today. All good. At least so far. A little breeze. Maybe 2 miles an hour. Nothing crazy. Weak signal. What the hell? Climb up a little higher. Try and get past that. Now at 325 feet. Coming up on 1 mile out. And 1 mile. We used to really push the range on these when we first got them. Not so much anymore. Not so much anymore. So, this is the little coming up, we crossed Queen Creek Road, now we're over the farms. This is a little storage facility that I flew my Mini 2 through a few times. Kind of fun. A little nerve-wracking when you're 2 miles away, but yeah, hard to get that low and still have signal. So the goal here, we want to look at the airplanes that have just been slowly decaying. The last time we were out here, about 6 months ago, the big main plane that's by the hangar, which is dead ahead, was all but destroyed. It may even be gone. I'm not even sure. I see it from this distance. There's the ones on the right there. Oh, that's... So here's the hangar. Oh, let's come down a little bit. Two with planes in the back, the two, I think they're de Havillands, I'm not sure. Boomtails. Oh yeah, she's here, look at her. Busted in half now, just... It's just sad. I say it every time, but it is, it's just sad. Look at that. That was a beautiful bird at one time. Not so much anymore. And we've seen the progression of this plane being trashed. About the last 5 years we've been flying her. That's pretty sad. I mean, the whole fuselage is now gone. Look at that. Ugh. Breaks your heart if you're an airplane guy like us. Alright, let's move down and see what this one looks like. %% battery, got 18 satellites hanging on for us. I'm at 103 feet, 12,000 feet out, over 2 miles. Weak signal, got to climb a little bit. Had to climb a bit, okay. Yeah, this one's not too bad. Man. Well, let's go down and check out those boys over at yonder. I've gotten as low as 20 feet before, but I'm literally sitting right off the ground in a chair next to my truck. And so, I mean, this is some serious low. If I was standing, I was in a tower, if I was sitting on a 50-foot tower. So we'll hold it down to about 150 feet here. We are at 148 feet. These guys aren't looking much better. airplanes have been here. I'm sure there are websites you can dig this stuff up. Or probably YouTube channels for all I know. But other guys have flown these, I know. I've seen some of their work. Kind of shoddy, actually. Yeah, these four dudes have been here for a long time. There have been other planes here that they've removed. Not sure why or how. Weak signal again. I'm going to go back up a little bit. We're going to go up about 175. At 150 or 148, she was starting to get a little glitzy. Return to home is canceled. 47% power. And there they are. Take a look at these boys on the way home. It's tricky. I've lost contact here when I get low behind this, what used to be a hangar. Now it's just a collapsed pile of crap. Yeah, these boys ain't looking much better, are they? Alright, 43% power. There they are. The planes at Memorial Airport. Man. And we are about right there. Let's go. Climb back up to 200. 202. That's pretty good. Furthest we got out there was about 1,400 feet. And we're now at 10,000. I mean 14,000 feet. We're now at 10,000. Just crossed 10,000 back. 38%. 15 satellites. All connections seems to be good. I believe they are growing alfalfa here. Looks like it. I think it is. They're right on track, looking good. .9 miles an hour. Pretty good. This is weak signal crap. Climb back up to 365. Crossing Queen Creek Road again. Set it 1,000 times, okay? 1,000 times. These DJI Jones are just amazing machines. I mean, they just are. There's no getting around it. Coming up on 5,000 foot away. These guys that fly these race drones are pretty savage, too. And we got 30% battery warning. Right on cue, 4,500 feet out. plane in the area. I'm going to come down a little bit. $200, about 150 feet. 162 feet. Where are you, plane? 25% battery. Way up there. He's probably 4,000 feet or better. Should be able to see it and hear it any second here. There you are. Looking good, darling, looking good. %, battery. Time to come home, baby. Look at you, looking gorgeous. Look at that. Jesus. Welcome home, baby. Alright, nice steady land. Alright, beautiful. Nice job. Camera off. Yep, say it 1,000 times. Amazing machine. Absolutely amazing machine. Alright, folks, that's it for the flight for today. Hope you enjoyed our rusted out old beat up Hulk planes that used to be gorgeous only just 2 or 3 years ago. Now they're just crap. And that's it. Tony from AZ Quadcopters. Have a terrific day and a terrific Easter and all those good things. Weather's getting hot here. Actually, the weather's beautiful. Hot is just down the street, though. Not far away. All right, see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.